Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat foods that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Open Farm grain-free dry cat food. Every vet we spoke with stressed how important moisture is for cats, since they don't naturally drink much water and get hydration from their food. But cats can be extremely picky, and some simply prefer dry food. If kibble is part of your cat's diet, choosing a high-quality, limited-ingredient option matters, and we think Open Farm wild-caught salmon is one of the best. Open Farm starts with wild-caught Pacific salmon, packed with omega-3s and DHA to support a healthy coat, skin, and brain function. The formula also includes ocean whitefish and herring meal for additional protein, plus pumpkin, cranberries, and dandelion greens, which are ingredients that may aid digestion and immune health. While kibble is more processed than fresh or wet food, Open Farm keeps its ingredients recognizable compared to many traditional brands. The veterinarians we consulted had differing opinions on dry food. One holistic vet told us it's a myth that kibble cleans teeth, while others say dry food still has a place in a balanced diet. What they all agreed on, however, is that hydration is key. Many recommend rehydrating kibble with water or broth to improve moisture intake. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Tiki Cat Luau Wild Salmon recipe. If your cat has a sensitive stomach, you know how frustrating it can be to find a food that doesn't upset their digestion. Tiki Cat Luau Wild Salmon recipe keeps things simple with just one protein source, wild-caught Alaskan salmon, plus a short list of recognizable ingredients. There are no grains, no potatoes, and no gums. Just flaked fish in a light consommé that's meant to be easy to eat and even easier to digest. Some cats struggle with rich or highly processed foods, which is why a single protein and low-fat formula like this one can be a good fit. Salmon is naturally high in omega-3s, which may help with inflammation and gut health, and the extra moisture supports digestion and hydration. A low-carb, moisture-rich diet with real protein is much easier on digestion than one packed with unnecessary fillers, says feline nutrition experts Jay Kennedy and Adrienne Lefebvre. At number 3, we have the BIXBI Liberty Canned Wet Cat Food. If your cat needs to lose a little weight, switching to a high-protein and moisture-rich diet can make a big difference. Veterinarians often see kibble contributing to weight gain because it's higher in carbs than cats actually need. Dry kibble almost always leads to gradual weight gain in cats, says Koger, who notes that many dry foods rely on starches that don't fit a cat's natural diet. BIXBI Liberty Tuna and Pumpkin recipe is a great option for cats who need to slim down without feeling deprived. It's made with wild-caught tuna as the first ingredient, giving cats the high-quality protein they need to maintain muscle while losing excess fat. The addition of pumpkin provides fiber, which can help with digestion and keep cats feeling full longer. Read, no more begging between meals. Because this recipe is wet food with plenty of moisture, it also supports hydration and overall health, so it's a better choice than dry food for weight management. While every cat's metabolism is different, feeding a high-protein and low-carb diet like this one makes it easier to manage your cat's weight without leaving them hungry. At number 2, we have the Caru Classics Wild Salmon and Turkey Stew. If you want high-quality wet food but aren't looking for a fresh option like Smalls, Caru Classic Wild Salmon and Turkey Stew is a great choice. Unlike many canned foods that contain meat byproducts, artificial preservatives, or gums, Caru uses limited human-grade ingredients and slow cooks its recipes to retain nutrients. The result is a stew-like texture that's closer to homemade food than typical processed cat food. Wild salmon is the first ingredient, which provides lean protein and omega-3s that support skin, coat, and brain health. The formula also includes turkey for extra protein, plus dandelion greens and marine microalgae oil, which give your cat antioxidants and fatty acids that may support immune function, kidney health, and joint mobility. Since many cats don't drink enough water, the moisture-rich formula helps keep them hydrated and supports urinary health. And finally, at number 1, we have the Weruva Kitten Chicken Formula Au Juice. A kitten's early diet lays the foundation for lifelong health, and Weruva's Kitten Chicken Formula Au Juice provides the nutrition they need to grow strong. This protein-rich recipe is designed to deliver essential amino acids that help kittens build muscle and maintain their energy levels. Because kittens require higher amounts of protein, fat, and key nutrients than adult cats, a well-balanced formula is critical during this stage. Beyond protein and hydration, this Weruva recipe includes taurine, fish oil, and vitamin D3 to support your kitten's brain development, vision, and immune function. The high moisture content may also help with digestion and kidney health, which is especially important for young kittens as they transition to solid food. The soft, shredded texture of the food is meant to be easy for tiny teeth to manage, so they can get the nutrients they need without struggling to eat. And the recipe skips grains, artificial additives, and carrageenan, which is helpful if your kitten has a sensitive stomach. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.